going to the airport, getting the usual cards. Start to a good trip.
Everybody, welcome back to the vlog. So today we are at the airport and we are ready to take off, heading to LA for Formula Drift. I am super excited. I told you guys last video that we'd be looking forward to this, and it is now officially time. I've got a videographer behind the camera known as Evan. You guys will meet him here in a little bit. Okay, so I want you guys to meet Evan. I worked with Evan for quite a while. I was actually his boss, and now here we are again doing the same exact thing, just a little bit differently this time. This time he's working for me and my company with ZCo. By the way, if you guys have not picked up your hats yet, make sure you guys go and get online and get yourself a hat. Dad hat are $20, and we are currently coming out with brand new season merchandise for the upcoming drop, which I'm super stoked about. More details for that in the future. But I cannot talk. Let's meet Evan. All right, so this is Evan. Evan, what is up?
What's up?
All right, so Evan, what are you so excited about for this trip?
I'm really excited for the Dodge Hellcat that we're going to be driving. Super stoked about that. Never been in one, so never been in a car over like 400 horsepower, so really excited for that. Also really excited to go visit the Donut Garage for Hoonigan. Extremely stoked about that. Never been. Be nice to meet everybody.
All right, and what are you like most nervous about for this trip? Because this really is your first trip.
Well, probably more the flight, because this is also my first flight ever, so, you know, and we're storming pretty bad in Ohio, so... That
is true.
Yeah, so we'll see how it goes. Might be a little holding on to the seat, but we'll get through it.
So, as Evan said, we have been getting heavy storms, and we are super excited to get the hell out of Columbus. We've had tornado warnings, and it has not been a pleasant time. We're going to 80-degree weather. It is going to be awesome. We are going to be visiting San Diego. We're going to be going to Formula Drift. We're going to be I'm going to be taking Evan places to be able to explore. So super stoked. And I once again have to give a huge shout out to Caesar, because without Caesar we would not have this incredible car that we get every single time we go to LA. So thank you, Caesar, and your excellent service for a rental car. Man, I could not talk this way. All right, we are boarded. I am very tired. I have not slept at all. Probably going to snooze a little bit, and I'll see you guys when we land in Denver in about 2.5 hours. Alright, when are you going to see? So we made it to Colorado. Unfortunately, we are delayed because LAX has a hole in their runway. So I've got coffee here for a little and chill and get to LAX here in the next hour or so. Alright, so I hope you can hear me. It is very loud and noisy. We have finally arrived in LAX. We are literally about 2 hours behind schedule because of the delay in Colorado. However, we got here, and every time I get a car from Caesar, we typically Uber to go pick the car up at a location that's about 5 minutes from here. However, I got a text from one of his drivers saying that he is on the way and he is dropping the car off to us, which is super nice. However, he's 20 minutes behind. And my question is, how can you be 20 minutes behind when we're nearly 2 hours late? So either way, he will be here in about 20 minutes, so we're just gonna chill right here at LAX and wait for Caesar's driver named Chris to arrive. Alright, we finally, nearly like 2 hours after we should have got the car, we finally got it. We had a little bit of issues with traffic for Chris dropping the car off, and then we were obviously delayed. But we made our way over to 7-Eleven to get ourselves a Monster and Coke. So we're going to get en route here to Chase Bank because we got to go to the bank, and then probably we're going to head up towards PCH to Mulholland Snake. That was 70. And that was like total loss of traction.
Just warming up the tires.
You already know what time it is, Del Taco. Time to blow Taco Bell right out of the hellhole. Okay, so what you guys just witnessed was the Mulholland Snake. You guys previously saw the Mulholland Snake last time I was in LA with my mother. However, Evan, who has yet to ever be to California, experienced Mulholland Snake for the first time, and it was very, very crazy this time. We had lots of bike racers, guys going at it around the corners, which was awesome, and then just some regular everybody else just chilling around right there at the pit stop area, so that was really cool. Luckily, on the way back, after the last pass came through, one of the bikers told us to slow down because if we would have continued, there was cops sitting at the rest area, pit stop area, literally just waiting for myself or the bikers who were racing to get nailed. So if you're watching this, biker, thank you, because you just saved me from a massive ticket of probably going about 100 miles an hour past a cop. So Mr. Evan, what did you think of the Snake?
Well, first off, let me say, everyone out there has amazing, like, they're brave, bro, because the speeds they were going down those turns, nah, never me, bro. But I mean, it's still pretty awesome, even being in the passenger seat. I got to drive up there a little bit. It was pretty good. I loved it. So, especially this car right here, this thing's a beast.
And we are cruising back down to the Airbnb to check in and look at this beautiful, beautiful view. This is what I love, California. What was that?
Oh, my Honda Accord right there. That's the car I drive. That's my VTEC kicking in right there. You guys see it? That's why I'm ahead of
and okay, and we'll just say, see ya, VTEC.
Oh.
Yep. And that's what muscle cars do to VTEC.
My business. My business. My business.
Alright, so grocery time, because we're big boys and we gotta eat, so we're at Wally World. There's not many of them here in LA, but we're about to get our grocery on. I need a memory card because my memory card's full, so yeah, that. So I'm really mad because back home and in Vegas and everywhere else I've been, a 64 gigabyte memory card is $16. Here, it's $30, and to get a 16 gig is $16. Yeah. Alright, so we finally made it back to the Airbnb. After Walmart, we had about a 35-minute drive on home, and we have finally arrived. I am currently sitting down with a great Corona, some chips, and some salsa, about to edit this video. And would you go ahead and take a look at my view? Just absolutely beautiful. It is about mid-70s. It's just such a lovely, lovely night. I'm gonna edit this video, get caught up to the point where we are currently, then we are gonna shower up and we are gonna go into downtown Hollywood to finish out the night.
Pack your bags, let's go. First thing tomorrow morning, say goodbye to all that we know. Leave a note in your room as a warning that you took a lifelong vacation and you probably won't return home. Don't care about the destination as long as we are alone. When the sun comes up, let's roll. Grab your stuff, let's go. We on cruise control. Yeah, we on cruise control. Top back with the windows down. Yeah, girl, let's ditch this town. Start a new chapter, write a new story. Baby, let's hit the ground.